I am turning Airtable deals into a Drive CSV on a schedule. Watch how fast this feels. I open templates and hit new. We are building the export now. I name it Weekly Deal Export. Clear for my whole team. I connect Airtable. My account, my base, the deals table. Fields load in a flash. I choose export. These rows are leaving Airtable as a clean file. Folder delivery. I want that CSV straight into Drive. I create it. Fields open. Love that. I flick on all the fields I need, all on. Done in one click. Then I configure the link to records so names show cleanly in the CSV. I save fields. Columns locked, that easy. Folder delivery. This is where I wire up Drive. I pick my Drive connection and copy Impora's service email. One click, that is all it needs from me. Now I hop into Google Drive itself. Weekly Deal Reports is empty and waiting for the file. I share this folder with that email only. Folder level access. I stay in control. Content Manager. Uncheck Notify. Share. Confirm. Done. I keep admin control the whole time. I paste the folder link back into Impora and hit Verify. Connected in seconds. Feels instant. Connected. I save delivery and watch status flip to active. We are live. I hit Run Export now. Impora builds the CSV and drops it in Drive. There it is, fresh CSV in my Drive folder. Run history backs it up. 25 rows exported clean. Beautiful. Now the fun part, automations. I switch on schedule so I never babysit this export again. Weekly, I pick the day and time, set it once. Then I walk away. No more manual exports. I hit Save Automations. From here, it runs itself every week. That is how easy Drive exports feel with Impora. Try it free. Impora.app.